1:57 p.m. About 90 degrees. I'm out doing a yard if you can't tell how nasty I am. But here's this old thing. Condenser fan is spinning. Well, the air is coming out the side here and there's nothing coming out the top. The compressor's actually sweating, so that's not good. Well, the fan's spinning the right way, I think. And this is that hot air blowing on me don't feel too great. There we go. Intercity products. Oh, that's hot. Oh, it's cold. Sweaty as crap. It's like a hacks have been here. Well, this thing won't be alive much longer. It's slowly dying. Just listen to it. Compressor sounds like hell. It's a 13-seater from 1990. It's got a scroll compressor. It's a Tempstar. And here's the Rheem. Sorry if I'm sniffling. It's hot as shit out right now. This Rheem, I've never seen it run. I've only seen it run in the last 2 years. 3 or 4 times. This is the one here where, as you can see, it was installed wrong. The lines go partially underground. They're rubbing. Surprised me this even works. It was installed by hacks. Here's the tag on this one. In other words, I'm hot. But there's the specs on this one. It's a Rheem Classic. Well, my phone goes out of macro. The coils in this thing are damn plugged solid. That's an edit, cutscene. But let's listen to this thing a second. It sounds like absolute shit, this poor thing. I can't even find the condensate drain for the air handler. But no air is blowing out the top, it's all blowing out the side. This thing's awful. Where's the compressor? Can't see the compressor over the fan blades, but it's a high efficiency heat pump. Not heat pumping right now. Is this the homeowner? No, people give me weird ass looks, but here's the condensate drain for the Rheem. I need to see if they want me to rip this bush out because it's kind of in the way of things. But the Rheem most likely replaced another one of them. The house next door looks vacant, but I'm not walking over there because I'm in a bad part of town and I don't feel like getting shot or jumped or anything. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Over and out. Holy shit. Focus, you piece of shit. Oh my god, without focus.